Bolted silo assemble. There are 3 parts of one circle. This is ceiling strips, paper on one side. Peel it off and stick it on the connection surface. After, stick the ceiling strips. Then start assemble. There are marks on the connection. Match them. Follow the mark. Assemble with bolts and nuts without tight. Tight all the bolts. After, assemble this part. Stick the ceiling strips on the surface. There are 2 PCS of this part. The manhole should between support legs. And same direction with level indicator. The other part of this cone. Stick the ceiling strips, then assemble them. Tight the bottom bolt first. Then put into other bolts. Tight all the bolts on both cone connection. Then tight the middle cone connection bolts. Assemble the small cone with same way. All the cone parts. Assemble. Finish. Now start. Assemble silo body. Each circle consists of 3 pieces. Stick ceiling strips on the connection edge. Put the bolts inside. There are 3 connections. 2 of them put into the bolts. And 1 connection without bolts. Put ceiling strips on the connection with cone. Assemble the cone and silo body together. After, put into all the bolts between cone and silo body. Also put into the bolts into the remain connection surface of silo body. The cone and silo body are assembled together. Now tight all the bolts. Assemble other silo body with same way. Attention, the connections can't be in same line. The body connection side stick. 1 part of strips. Tight all the bolts. There is mark on the cover connection. Assemble them. Follow the mark. Then assemble the body and convert together. Don't forget the ceiling strips. Attention! Feeding pipe, manhole, L indicator, and ladder are in same direction. The cover connection connect with steel plate. Cone, silo, body, and cover are assembled. Finish. Put down the silo and use sealant from inside. Then install the support legs.